Hi everyone and Merry Christmas to you. We are opening the very last day in our Papercraft Society Advent box. So today's day 25. Happy Christmas. I hope you're having a wonderful day if you're watching this on Christmas Day. We are going to open this and reveal it. It's going to be a very quick video. You'll see why in just a moment. I hope you've loved the contents of the box just as much as we have though. And if you've missed any of the videos, you can go back and catch up on our YouTube channel. There's an entire playlist devoted to videos with every single one of the other envelopes in here to give you lots of inspiration and ideas for how to use them. So the last day, day 25, I'm a little bit sad actually because I've really enjoyed opening these and finding out what's inside. So as I say, a very quick video today because this one is a little gift for you and it is the pokey tool. So this glittery pokey tool is double-ended. So on one side you have the pokey option, so the sharper option, and on the other side you have a small embossing tool as well. This is going to be perfect for things like placing your gems, for embossing as well, for shaping flowers and such. So that is your gift in number 25. A lovely little Christmas present, and of course you can still store it in the envelope if you wish to. So don't forget to make sure you are sharing all of your makes with the items from the advent calendar on social media. You can share them using the hashtag Papercraft Society Advent 2024. We will see all of your photos and uploads, and so will everyone else. So share what you've been making, share your reveals, and hopefully we may have an advent again next year. So keep your eyes peeled for that. Carry on enjoying everything inside the box. Have a lovely festive period, and I will see you again in the new year. Take care, everybody.